Hello and welcome to My German Ancestors. My name is Katja. I'm a historian and a professional genealogist. If you've always wanted to know what your ancestors' life was in the old country, then I'm sure you'll love this channel. As we embark on this exhilarating journey through the annals of time, I stand before you as your guide, armed with wit, wisdom, and a map or two. Together we will unlock the treasure troves of church and civil records, where hidden information about ancestors await discovery. Behold, as maps materialize before us, tracing the very routes your ancestors traversed through the bustling ports of emigration. And what's a journey through German history without the nod to its vibrant tapestry of states that once dotted the landscape? From Baden to Prussia, from Saxony to Hanover, I shall explain to you why these places meant so much more to your ancestors' self-identity than being German. But wait, there's more. Prepare to be enchanted by the wealth of German religious and cultural traditions, from the exuberant celebrations of Carnival to the excellent festivities of Easter, to, of course, the warmth of the Christmas season. Your ancestors gifted you with more German traditions than you may be aware of. If you love these topics as much as I do, then, my dear fellow time travelers, buckle up and join me on this voyage to our past. Thank you for subscribing to My German Ancestors, and I will see you all in the next one.